So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can disable startup apps in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you found the startup apps when you log in really annoying, then this video is for you. So let's get started with the video. Just go ahead and find system settings and open it. And once you find system settings, you'll see many options like this, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, network, VPN, and many more. We just need to find general, and once you're here, you'll see even more options like about, software updates, storage, airdrop and handoff, and login items. So guys, this is where you need to click, tap there, and now you'll see this options, and you can also see this turn on and turn off button. So guys, these are your startup apps. If you don't want them at the beginning of your login, just go ahead and turn them off like this, and there you go guys. That's how you disable your startup apps in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.